C'est d'ici qu'est partie la polémique. Une sommation d'avoir à publier la liste électorale nationale de l'année 2023 d'Abdourahmane Hamadou Baba à l'intention du directeur général des élections de l'ECAM. Dans le document, le Tasman dit se le permettre en sa qualité de citoyen camerounais et électeur. Il convoque l'article 80 de la loi numéro 2012/001 du 19 avril 2012 portant code électoral.
Et c'est une loi votée à l'Assemblée nationale, promulguée par le chef de l'État. Et cette loi dit bien que une fois que le directeur général des élections, donc le DG de l'ECAM, une fois qu'il aura reçu les listes qui sont remontées des communes au niveau des départements et au niveau des régions, concernant les démembrements de l'ECAM, il doit donc établir une liste globale nationale. Cette liste, la loi l'a appelée la liste électorale nationale. Quand la loi dit ça, la loi donne la possibilité aux citoyens, aux partis politiques et aux organisations de la société civile de vérifier. Est-ce que qui est sur cette liste, qui n'est pas sur cette liste, qui est qui? Et est-ce qu'il y a des personnes décédées? Est-ce qu'il y a des personnes frappées d'inéligibilité?
Entre autres raisons qui ont motivé la sortie du Tasman. Mais ça n'ébranle visiblement point le camp d'en face.
Il y a une seule liste, il n'y a pas de forme de liste. Et la liste est déjà sortie, elle est prête pour les élections. Donc, et nous trouvons cette liste sur le terrain. Et le plus important, c'est que chaque électeur sache qui est inscrit trouve son nom sur la liste. C'est ça le plus important. Et cette liste est disponible. Vous la trouvez à Elections Cameroun, vous la trouvez dans les régions, vous la trouvez dans les départements, vous la trouvez dans les communes. Alors si les gens ne sont pas contents, qu'ils aillent suivre d'autres voies de recours. Et l'ECAM a fait son travail comme d'habitude, ce n'est pas la première fois. Nous continuerons de le faire de la même façon. Nous avons besoin du soutien des gens de bonne volonté et nous allons continuer à travailler avec les gens de bonne volonté.
Parlant justement de voies de recours, Abdourahmane Hamadou Baba compte saisir le tribunal si la liste électorale nationale de l'année 2023 n'est pas publiée d'ici lundi. Il suggère tout de même à Elections Cameroun de la rendre disponible sur son site internet. Vincent est le premier à faire inscrire son nom sur la liste de potentiels électeurs de Yaoundé 4e. L'agent de l'ECAM en poste insère ses noms et prénoms, sa date et lieu de naissance en machine. Quelques minutes plus tard, il reçoit son récépissé. Sa volonté d'exercer son droit de vote le moment venu est en bonne voie.
C'est important de s'inscrire parce qu'il faut choisir, il faut voter. Il suffit pas seulement de s'inscrire, il faut après passer à l'acte de vote, poser l'acte de vote qui est celui de choisir les gens qui vont conduire la destinée de tous les Camerounais.
Comme lui, une douzaine de citoyens de Yaoundé 4e, 4 de Yaoundé 1er et 4 de Yaoundé 7e s'étaient prêtés à l'exercice aux environs de 12 heures dans l'espace ici aménagé en pleine poste centrale de Yaoundé pour permettre aux populations de cet arrondissement du Foundi de s'inscrire. Mais certains semblent n'y accorder aucun intérêt. Cette frange de la population constitue justement la cible visée par la révision des listes électorales de 2024, lancée ce 4 janvier dans la cité capitale.
Nous sommes déjà à plus de 7 millions d'inscrits. Nous comptons aller déjà à 7 millions et demi, voire au-delà. Notre objectif est de renforcer la liste électorale avec des inscriptions des électeurs qui ont atteint l'âge électoral, c'est-à-dire l'âge de 20 ans. Donc nous comptons sur vous pour relayer le message, pour encourager tous les électeurs, mais surtout les jeunes, les femmes et les personnes vivant avec un handicap pour permettre que toutes les couches sociales soient prises en compte.
La question des machines, qui faut-il le souligner, ont atteint leur capacité de production aussi, a été évoquée. Eric Essoussé signale des réflexions en cours pour doter le plus tôt possible Elections Cameroun d'équipements de dernière génération.
That is one. Secondly, they are going to use their divisional officers in every local community to make sure that they intimidate in Yaoundé too, for example. Seeing the mobilization of the MRC, the present mayor, when it associates, you know, most associations they gather on Sundays to have a little discussion. When then gave them 1,000, sent carton of soap and oil, and warning them. I don't want to hear somebody cough Kamto around this vicinity. I'm telling you that they have all the intricity that you cannot even imagine. That is why we say Cameroonians sometimes they underestimate the power of this regime too much. They just talk up to a position. You see somebody who is not able to eat, he's insulting you that you are in a position. You ask yourself that, but do you even know where you are? So my friend, yes, we are talking very beautiful things here about coalition, but the system in place, the first people we need to fight is our friends. That despite the ugliness of the system, are pretending to be with the system. No. The Bible says that beware of wild dogs. You cannot draw the devil on the wall, and you are running, and you are saying that you are having a nightmare. You are the one who are drawn. You have friends that are supporting this regime. No, you have to make it known to them that they are the evil. They are the one making you, bringing misery in the country. You must dissociate yourself from them so that they should know that their choices have a consequence.
Does it mean you and Dr. Busi will not share me?
Oh, you are just bringing. No, I'm not talking about persons here. I'm talking about an institution. I'm talking about a way that, for example, I don't want to take the case of Kamto. What do people say about Kamto when you want to talk about Kamto? They say, oh, he has worked in the government for 7 years. Oh, we have ESA where he's exemplifying Mr. Bia. So, you see, those stigma of the past, how do you wipe that in the skull of people who are suffering? That's what we are saying, that for young politicians that we are, we should be careful with our dealings. We should be very careful. Sometimes, those CPT and Pontis, as young as they are malicious. They know they have joined the devil. But the least opportunity they have to mess with you, they make sure they take picture and go and they are putting on their status. No. When you make wrong choices, we have to run with our dear life. We have to run. Because one thing you should know with the populace, they never forget. And they never forgive. Yes. Observe the populace well. As dormant as they are for 41 years, they know who their perpetrators are. And they know that if they could not fight them, their children can fight them. So, yes, there is a motion on the table about coalition, and throughout this program we have been able to really establish how that can work. Mm-hmm. Now, it operates at the national level, but a spring can come from the local level. Imagine a program like this one where they are receiving Professor Maurice Kamto or the chairman of the LCF, Joshua Osi, and viewers send 1,000 messages just talking about coalition. Even the journalists at the second point will pause the program and say that see what is happening. That is how the people can participate. There are thousands of ways. Imagine you go on Joshua Osi Facebook page. I was told that now he's the one answering his messages. Every day, 1,000 1,000 is nothing. As I'm talking, more than 1,000 people are following up. So you can say now, coalition every day. The political parties are human beings. They will call up an urgent a national neck meeting.
Okay,
and
so
say that
you
the motion on the table.
sitting behind the keyboard, that change can be.
It can change. We should stop fooling ourselves that the digitalization is not working. No, we should stop fooling ourselves. We have the power, just that we are distracted. We are too distracted. I hear people say, let's go and take one man. What is one man? What is one man for God's sake? And it is because of the more of the one man.
But you know the people are saying learning without play.
What do you mean by play? How can you play me in dictatorial? Which play is here? Now, they are playing AFCON. Most people are paying their ticket to go to Ivory Coast. Can you pay? No. Why? Because you're underpaid. Is it normal? See, average Cameroonian is supposed to have, at least after a degree, is supposed to have average 400,000 salary. Paying tickets should not be something like when you're entering a paper, people should be, yes. But that's the case. Today, if you are working in a major highlight, you have 200,000, they will see you like the star in Hoboya. It's not supposed to be like that. We should give a chance to Cameroonians to enjoy the resources that this country has. And we are still saying all this to the people. Because even if, as this program is going, if you have 1,000 people who are following this program, and you're on YouTube, you're on Facebook, by tomorrow you will have made not less than $100. That money will help to take care of this house. But if the people are deserted, they are playing barefoot. Excuse me, I don't have a problem. No, I have a problem with it. When they are in church that they are praying, how do we convert that money now to develop this program? Why do we convert to change this country?
I thought
we need to be serious.
Yesterday
we are talking too much in this country.
But yesterday you were talking about church, and today it beats my imagination.
No, when I talk about God, there is a living God. He that we are hoping that is going to help us save this country. But don't go and mix it with dealers who are into church because they are parents. They have school fees to pay for their children. They have house rent. I don't blame them for the role they play, but I blame the sheep who are behind them foolishly. So they don't have voters cards. They don't have a job. How do you even pay your dimes? No, we have to be serious, my friend. It starts with us young people. And when I look at young people today, sometimes I don't even know what to say. You see a young person, shoes he does not have, clothes he does not have, but you want to say one or two things, he's the one passing on you, insulting you. Improper fashion. Fat head. This. You look at him.
Okay.
So we must come back to the basics.
Okay, now I think that we have over-trumpeted the role of SDF and MRC. Would you suggest, Mr. Ndifo, that other minor political, because when we are looking at opposition, we are looking at those who stand tall.